In his video, we list top 5 cordless vacuums. We talk about details and feature of these cordless vacuums. Let's see this video. Number 1. Hoover BH50020PC. Interchangeable batteries provide cordless freedom to clean anywhere. Creates channels of suction to lift and remove surface debris and deeply embedded dirt. Reaches under furniture for easier access without having to move things around. Removes dirt, dust, and pet hair up against those hard-to-reach edges. Multi-floor cleaning, transitions from carpet to hard floors with ease. Please check the description for details and best price. Number 2. Bissell 1984. Removable lithium-ion battery for 40 minutes of fade-free power and cordless convenience. This cordless powerhouse weighs less than 8 pounds and has a collapsible handle for easy storage. Innovative power foot design and multi-surface brush roll delivers high-performance cleaning on hard floors and carpets. With swivel steering and a lay-flat handle, air ram maneuvers under and around furniture with ease. Bright wide-range LED lights illuminate hard floors to assist in seeing fine dirt and debris for effective cleaning. Please check the description for details and best price. Number 3. Shark Ninja ION Flex IF201. Ion Power Pack, removable, rechargeable lithium-ion battery. Multi-flex technology provides flexible reach for under furniture and freestanding, compact storage. Duo Clean technology features a bristle brush to deep clean carpets and an additional soft brush roll to pull in larger particles and directly engage floors for a polished look. Easily converts to a handheld vacuum for above-floor cleaning, car cleaning, and more. Please check the description for details and best price. Number 4. Dyson V7 Motorhead. Easily accesses dirt and grime trapped deep inside carpets while still managing to remove dust from hard floors. 15 cyclones arranged across 2 tiers which work in parallel to increase airflow and capture fine dust. The center of gravity is located towards the grip for easy, lightweight cleaning up top, down below and in between places, things, and areas. Pulling up on the red tab empties dust from the bin in a single action. Please check the description for details and best price. Number 5. iRobot Roomba 980. Cleans an entire level of your home with iAdapt 2.0 navigation with visual localization. Roomba 980 robot vacuum cleans continuously for up to 120 minutes, then recharges and resumes cleaning until the job is done. Runs for up to 120 minutes, then automatically recharges and resumes cleaning to complete the entire job. Aeroforce cleaning system with power boost loosens, lifts and suctions dirt with up to 10x more air power. Patented tangle-free brushes handle pet hair with ease. Please check the description for details and best price. Thanks for watching. If you like this, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.